If I don't want to see it, I don't say it. I don't joke it. I don't laugh about it. I thank God for being surrounded with friends who are careful around that area as well. Because some of us are tempted to sin in this, to err as far as our mouth, because we don't want to look over spiritual, right? When your friends are in that certain way, you are now the one that is now as if you are the only one that knows about positive confession. No, God forbid, no, that will not. When they speak again the second time again, say, please, let's not say things like that. By the third time, they just are avoiding you. Jesus' sister. We're just cracking joke that we will die. Say, I will not die. I won't die with you. You can't joke about negative things. Expect it not to come to pass. Then now switch to positive confession and expect it to come to pass. You have to choose one. It's either none of your words carry weight or all of your words carry weight. The name of Jesus seems to be powerless in the mouths of many believers. It's because in the first place, the name is a joke in every of their conversations. When cockroach passes by, it's Jesus. When you watch a movie and the actor is about to die, what do you shout? Jesus. Somebody cracks a joke, it's very funny. Jesus, and you are laughing. That same name can't come from a conscious place when it's time to get job done. And when you want to take over a territory, you pray in the spirit and you get to a point where you will hear yourself say, we have taken over. He said, you are not just saying we are taking over as positive confession now. You are actually saying what is. From that point on, what you are saying is carrying weight. Did somebody hear what I just said?